I was doing homework, but the clock kept ticking louder and louder.
I wondered how that sound worked. What made it tick at the same time, every time?
Tiny gears were turning, each one pushing the next. It is like a secret team that never stops working. When one moved, all the others followed. It was like teamwork made of metal. Even tiny things work better together. I realized it never skips a second because each part does its job.
Maybe time just wants us to keep moving kind, steady and fair.
Now I like the ticking. It reminds me to use every moment. Maybe time just wants us to keep moving, steady and fair. Don't forget to follow for more adventures.